Hello, friends. Think. You do not work only to fill your stomach every day, but they are not the work of filling your stomach, but they are the small, magical artisans of your body who make you healthy and powerful. Yes, today we are going to lift the curtain from these hidden secrets of health, whose name is amino acids. So what are these amino acids? Consider them as building blocks of protein. Just as a strong wall is formed by adding one brick, in the same way, different amino acids are added and make protein in our body. And this protein? Hey, from the glow of your hair, the beauty of your skin, from your strong muscles to the strength to fight diseases, this protein is behind everything. Now the question comes, where will this health be a treasure? Do not worry, nature has arranged it in both types of food. For my non-vegetarian friends, it is very easy for you to get amino acids. All the essential amino acids are found in plenty in eggs, chicken, fish, and meats. And my vegetarian friends, health reserves are also open to you. Milk, curd, cheese, pulses such as mung, lentils, rajma, chickpeas, soybeans, tofu, and quinoa are the best sources of amino acids. Just remember a little thing. In most vegetarian things, all the necessary amino acids are not available together. That is why our grandmother and grandmother always used to ask to eat rice or roti with lentils. When you eat grains and pulses and eat, you get all the necessary amino acids. How do amino acids make our body better? Muscle strengthening and repair. This is what the day-long fatigue or hard work done in the gym. Strong immune system. They give strength to your immunity, i.e. the army fighting diseases, so that you do not fall ill again and again. Hormones and enzymes make. The hormones and enzymes required to run the body properly are made from them. Beautiful hair and skin. They also have a hand behind the strength of your hair and the glow of the skin. What if we do not take them in our diet? If there is a shortage of these important artisans in the body, then you can feel too much fatigue and weakness. Hair loss and dry skin can be a problem. You can fall ill very quickly. And in children, it also affects their development. Scientific facts. Our body needs a total of 20 types of amino acids. Of these, there are 9 such that our body cannot make itself. They are called essential amino acids. It is very important to take them from food. For more information, you can see the website of PubMed or National Institutes of Health. So the next time you look at your plate, remember that you are eating thousands of small heroes that make your body strong. If you find this information fun, then do like this information and write in comment next time you would like to know the same secret on which topic. Thank you.